The Pallava dynasty existed from 275 AD to 897 AD, ruling a significant portion of the Deccan, also known as Tondai Mandalam. The Pallavas played a crucial role in shaping in particular southern Indian history and heritage. The dynasty rose to prominence after the downfall of the Satvahana Empire, whom they had formerly served as feudatories. The Pallavas became a major southern Indian power during the reign of Mahendravarman I, 600 to 630 AD, and Narasimhavarman I, 630 to 668 AD, and dominated the southern Telugu region and the northern parts of the Tamil region for about 600 years, until the end of the 9th century. Throughout their reign, they remained in constant conflict with both the Chalukyas of Vatapi to the north, and the Tamil kingdoms of Chola and Pandayas to their south. The Pallavas were finally defeated by the Chola ruler Aditya I in the 9th century AD. The Pallavas are most noted for their patronage of Hindu Vaishnava temple architecture, the finest example being the Shaw Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Mamallapuram. Kanchipuram served as the capital of the Pallava kingdom. The dynasty left behind magnificent sculptures and temples, and are recognized to have established the foundations of medieval southern Indian architecture, which some scholars believe the ancient Hindu treatise Mansara inspired. They developed the Pallava script, from which Grantha ultimately took form. This script eventually gave rise to several other Southeast Asian scripts such as Khmer. The Chinese traveler Hu Wanzhang visited Kanchipuram during Pallava rule and extolled their benign rule. History of Pallavas dynasty. There are many views on the Pallavas' origins. Some identify them with a Persian tribe. Some believe that Pallavas dynasty were indigenous South people connected to the Kurumbas and allied in blood with the robber tribes of the Kalas. There was a view that they were the feudatories of the Satavahanas and belonged to the Naga family. Another view was that the Pallavas dynasty were descendants of the Cholas on the one side and the other from the Naga rulers of the Jaffna Peninsula in Ceylon, Sri Lanka. Capital of Pallavas dynasty. The capital of the Pallava dynasty was Kanchipuram, also spelt Kanchi, located in present-day Tamil Nadu, India. Kanchipuram was a significant center of culture, art, and architecture during the Pallava reign, and it became renowned for its temples, learning centers, and flourishing traditions in literature and spirituality. The Pallavas were great patrons of art, and their architectural contributions, like the Shaw Temple and rock-cut monuments in Mahabalipuram, reflect the significance of their capital city. Rulers of the Pallava Empire. Shiva Skondavarman, greatest among the early rulers, ruled at the beginning of the 4th century AD. Performed Ashwamedha and other Vedic sacrifices. Simhavarman/Simha Vishnu, reign, 575 AD to 600 AD, was a Buddhist. Included Sri Lanka in his kingdom. Defeated the contemporary Tamil ruler. Pallava history assumes a definite character from this ruler onwards. Mahendravarman, reign, 600 AD to 630 AD, succeeded Simha Vishnu, who was his father. He was a poet and composed Vichitrachita and Mahavilasa Prasana. He introduced rock-cut temple architecture. Was a Jain who converted to Saivism. Had ongoing rivalry and battles with Pulkesin II of Chalukya dynasty. Mahendravarman died in battle with the Chalukyas. He was an able and efficient ruler. Narasimhavarman I, 630 AD to 668 AD, son and successor of Mahendravarman. Considered the greatest of the Pallavas. Also called Narasimhavarman Mahamalla/Mamal. Defeated and killed Pulkesin II in 642 AD. He took control of Vatapi, the Chalukya capital, and assumed the title Vatapikonda. Also vanquished the Cholas, Cheras and the Pandayas. He sent a naval expedition to Sri Lanka and reinstated the Sinhalese Prince Mani Varma. He founded the city of Mamallapuram or Mahabalipuram, which is named after him. Huaisang visited the Pallava kingdom during his reign in about 640 AD, and he describes the people living in his kingdom as happy. He also says there was an abundance of agricultural products. Great Nayanar saints like Appar, Tirunyana Sambandhayo and Sirutonda lived during his reign. He was succeeded by his son Mahendravarman II, who ruled from 668 to 670 AD. Later rulers, after Mahendravarman II, his son Parmeshwaravarman became the king. During his rule, Kanchipuram was occupied by the Chalukyas. Nripatunga was an important king who defeated a Pandya king. There were a few other rulers. The last ruler of the Pallava dynasty was Aparajitavarman, who was killed in battle with the Cholas. Here is a list of the Pallava kings in chronological order. Simha Vishnu, 575 to 600 AD, founder of the Pallava dynasty. Mahendravarman I, 600 to 630 AD, expanded the kingdom and was a patron of arts. Narasimhavarman I, 630 to 668 AD, also known as Mamallan, he was a great warrior and builder. Mahendravarman II, 668 to 670 AD, son of Narasimhavarman I. Parmeshwaravarman I, 670 to 695 AD, known for his military exploits and devotion to Shiva. Narasimhavarman II, 695 to 728 AD, also called Rajsimha, he constructed the Shaw temple in Mahabalipuram. Parmeshwaravarman II, 728 to 731 AD, continued the legacy of his predecessors. Nandivarman II, 731 to 795 AD, known for his administrative skills. Dantivarman, 795 to 846 AD, continued the dynasty's architectural contributions. Nandivarman III, 846 to 869 AD, maintained the dynasty's power. Nirpatungavarman, 869 to 880 AD, faced challenges from the Cholas. Aparajitavarman, 880 to 897 AD, the last ruler of the Pallava dynasty,